Most Shopify stores don't struggle because of bad products. They struggle because of bad design. Two stores can sell the exact same item, but one converts visitors into customers while the other barely makes sales. The difference is often how the store is designed. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to design your Shopify store so that it actually converts visitors into buyers. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're running an online store, design is not just about making things look nice. It's about guiding people through a smooth experience that builds trust and makes buying easy. So let's go ahead and get into it. When we talk about designing a Shopify store, we're not just talking about choosing a theme or changing colors. Store design is the entire experience a visitor has from the moment they land on your website to the moment they complete a purchase. This includes the layout of your homepage, how your navigation works, how your product pages are structured, the placement of buttons and images, and how the checkout process feels. Shopify provides the framework that allows you to build and customize the experience with its themes, customization tools, and built-in e-commerce features. Shopify lets store owners design an online store that communicates their brand while also guiding visitors towards a purchase. Good design helps customers understand what you sell, why it matters, and how to buy it quickly. A high-converting Shopify store usually shares several important design features. First, it looks trustworthy. Professional layouts, clear product photography, readable fonts, and consistent branding all signal that the store is legitimate. When a site looks polished, visitors feel more comfortable entertaining payment details and placing an order. Second, the store communicates value quickly. Visitors should immediately understand what the store sells and why the product is useful or desirable. This often happens through a strong headline, a product image, and a clear call to action button above the fold. Third, navigation is simple. Visitors should be able to find products easily without clicking through too many pages. Clear menu categories and logical product grouping help shoppers explore without feeling lost. And fourth, the store works well on mobile devices. A large percentage of e-commerce traffic now comes from phones, so buttons need to be easy to tap, images need to load quickly, and pages should feel smooth to scroll through. And finally, the checkout experience should be frictionless. Shopify supports familiar payment options like Shop Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, and credit cards. When customers see payment methods that they recognize, it just builds trust and speeds up the purchase process. Let's talk about why design matters, because design affects how people feel about your store within seconds. When someone lands on a website that looks confusing, cluttered, or even just outdated, they tend to just leave quickly. But when the layout is clean and the message is clear, visitors stay longer and explore more products. A good store design removes friction from the shopping experience. Instead of forcing visitors to think too hard about where to click or what to do next, the layout naturally guides them through the process. Headlines draw attention to the main value of the product, images help customers visualize it, and buttons make it obvious how to buy. Design also helps communicate credibility. Customers cannot physically touch your product when shopping online, so they rely on visual cues to decide whether your store is trustworthy or not. Clear policies, professional images, and organized layout all contribute to that sense of reliability. One of the biggest challenges in e-commerce is cart abandonment. On average, around 70% of shopping carts are abandoned before checkout is completed. Many times this happens because something in the checkout process creates friction. Unexpected shipping costs, long forms, slow loading pages, or confusing checkout steps can all cause customers to leave. When someone has already decided to buy, even a small inconvenience can make them change their mind. Design can help reduce these problems. Displaying shipping costs early helps avoid surprises. Showing accepted payment methods reassures customers that the process is secure. Using clear progress indicators during checkout lets shoppers know how many steps remain. Shopify's streamlined checkout system is designed to reduce friction, especially when using accelerated payment options like Shop Pay. Good store design also uses psychology to guide decisions. When visitors feel overwhelmed by too many choices, they often postpone buying. Simplifying product selections and presenting information clearly helps customers move forward with confidence. Visual hierarchy plays a big role here. Large text, bold headlines, and prominent buttons naturally draw attention to the most important elements on the page. This helps guide visitors from product description to purchase action without confusion. Social proof is another powerful design element. information. Reviews, customer testimonials, and user photos reassure visitors that other people have purchased and enjoyed the product. When shoppers see positive feedback from real customers, it just reduces uncertainty. Scarcity and urgency can also influence buying behavior when used honestly. Showing low inventory or limited availability can encourage visitors to act sooner rather than later. A major portion of e-commerce browsing now happens on mobile devices. That means your Shopify store should absolutely 100% be designed with mobile users in mind from the beginning. If a website feels awkward to navigate on a phone, many visitors will simply leave. Mobile-friendly design includes larger buttons, simplified menus, and layouts that fit naturally on smaller screens. Product images should be optimized so they load quickly without sacrificing quality. Long paragraphs should be avoided because they are harder to read on mobile devices. Speed is also extremely important. Even small improvements in loading time can have a noticeable impact on conversions. Compressing images, using optimized themes, and avoiding unnecessary apps can all help improve performance. Your product page is often the most important page in your store because it's where visitors decide whether to buy. A strong product page answers 3 questions quickly: what the product is, why it matters, and how to purchase it. Start with a clear product title and a benefit-focused description that explains how the product improves the customer's life. Instead of simply listing features, describe the outcome or experience the product creates. Next, use high-quality images that show the product from multiple angles. Including short videos or lifestyle images can help customers visualize how the product fits into their daily lives. Price and availability should also be clearly visible near the Add to Cart button. Customers should not have to scroll around the page to find essential information. Trust signals can also improve conversions. Return policies, shipping details, and customer reviews reassure visitors that purchasing from your store is safe. Many successful stores place these elements near the Add to Cart section so shoppers can see them before making a decision. And finally, keep the layout simple and easy to scan. Visitors often skim product pages rather than reading every word, so short sections and bullet points make information easier to absorb. Once someone adds a product to their cart, the goal is to make checkout as smooth as possible. This stage is where many potential sales are lost if the process becomes complicated. Shopify helps simplify checkout by providing a streamlined checkout page and support for accelerated payment methods. Like I said, ShopMy, for example, allows returning customers to complete purchases quickly using saved information. Design choices can further improve the experience as well, so showing the order summary clearly helps customers review their purchase before paying. Inline form validation can alert shoppers to errors immediately instead of forcing them to restart the form. Address autofill and location detection can also reduce typing, especially for mobile users. The fewer steps customers need to take, the more likely they are to complete their order. Trust is also one of the most important factors in e-commerce success. When visitors trust your store, they feel comfortable making a purchase. When they don't, they're going to hesitate or leave. Professional design communicates that your business is legitimate and reliable. Clean layouts, consistent colors, and high-quality images signal that you care about your brand. Clear policies also help build confidence. Easy-to-find shipping information, return policy, and contact details just reassure customers that they can reach you if something goes wrong. Payment options also contribute to trust. Familiar payment systems like I mentioned, PayPal, Apple Pay, and major credit cards reassure customers that the checkout process is secure. Now that you understand how to design your Shopify store, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. If you don't already have a Shopify account, we do have an exclusive link down below where you can get access to 3-day free trial, and then you can start for just $1 per month for the next 3 months. Once you click that link, you'll just go ahead and type in your email and a password, and it will prompt you through a couple of questions. Now, in terms of pricing, they have a couple of different options here. They've got the monthly and the yearly. I'm going to go over the yearly because that's how you can save 25%. So with the basic, grow, and advance, you can get access to that $1 a month for the first 3 months. If you have a very complex business and are leaning towards the plus plan that we'll go over, this is $399 for your first month. Okay, so we've got the basic plan, and this is for solo entrepreneurs, which is $29 per month, billed yearly. With this, card rates are the highest, but they're still pretty competitive. Some standout features are 10 inventory locations and in-person selling by phone or POS device. And then they've got the grow plan, and this is for small teams. So this is $79 per month, billed yearly. You get everything in the basic plan, but the card rates are decreased, so they're a little bit better. And then you also get 5 staff accounts as well. Then they've got the advanced plan, which is for global reach. This is $299 per month, billed yearly. With this plan, the card rates decrease again, and you get other things like 15 staff accounts, enhanced 24/7 chat support, and local storefronts by market. Lastly is this plus plan, and this is $23 $3,300 per month billed yearly on a 3-year term, you do get the best rates for high volume merchants. Of course, you get everything in the advanced plan, but you get things like 200 inventory locations, sell wholesale B2B, and fully customizable checkout. If you want to look at even more of the features, you can go ahead and scroll down here, but honestly, the best way to learn is to just dive in and sign up for the free trial. If your Shopify store looks outdated, confusing, or difficult to navigate, improving your design can have a really big impact on your conversions. A clean layout, strong product pages, and a smooth checkout experience can turn casual visitors into paying customers. New store owners can benefit from starting with a simple mobile-friendly theme and focusing on clarity rather than complexity. As the store grows, additional design improvements and testing can help refine the shopping experience. However, if your store already has a strong design and your main challenge is generating traffic, it may be more valuable to focus on marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, content marketing, or paid advertising. Designing a Shopify store that converts is not about making everything flashy or complicated. It's just about creating a clear, trustworthy experience that helps customers understand your product and complete their purchase easily. Often, the biggest improvements come from small changes like simplifying your layout or improving product pages and removing friction at checkout. If you want to start building your own Shopify store, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build and grow a profitable Shopify store with practical strategies and honest guidance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.